or will you deny that he is the secretary?
No, who will deny? He is our honorable
yes, yes. So your honorable secretary of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board praised the Taliban for their extraordinary success in capturing Afghanistan. Was he doing so in an individual capacity, a personal capacity, or as secretary of All India Muslim Personal Law Board?
Taliban, they were fighting actually the occupants, those who occupied their land and trying to come and
ये देखिए अभी pro Taliban ये तालिबानी सोच
they were
ये तालिबानी सोच खुलकर तालिबानी सोच
after their success and after their establishing the government
मुफ्ती सियाई जी
Prime Minister, will you be condemning
open pro Taliban position and open support for Congress party?
Will you also be kind enough to condemn some of the barbaric activities that they have done? They have cut heads, they have slit throats.
So
they have cut heads, they have slit throats.
He has said on his
you will also kind enough to condemn those activities.
So government of India has also gone on the same line, followed the same line. We have recognized the government. We have opened diplomatic channel.
That's true, but sir, as a Muslim scholar, is willing to condemn some of the activities of them.
In the middle of the screen, I would like to run the bite of PM. In the middle, during the panel. Can you get that?
You condemn activities.
Sir, Mr. Suleiman, can I ask you? Mr. Suleiman,
as a country,
no,
as a country today, India cannot afford to not have a talking relation with any country because there is an airspace involved. Please don't mix it with a preference for that ideology which the All India Muslim Law Board has shown. But yes, as a nation today, if the Taliban is in government over there, we cannot cut all cords, we cannot cut all communication because it involves safety of Indians over there.
No,
it involves a certain airspace through which, you know, so I think these are things which they won't understand.
I think it's been a sharp turn. Nobody watching the debate will miss the point that Congress party is not saying, Congress party, Madhuvanti, I think should issue a statement saying, listen, from an individual, a member, a group, a chunk, or the entire All India Muslim Personal Law Board, we don't need their support. We disagree with their pro-polygamy, pro-nikah halala, anti-ban on triple talaq, anti-Ram Janmabhoomi, anti-women, anti-maintenance rights of women, and pro-Taliban position. But Congress party is not doing that. Congress party, Madhuvanti, is saying we want their support.
Yes, not asked for any electoral support from...
Exactly my question. You are trying to compare governance with political ideology. This is the most ridiculous statement I've heard so far as this whole debate is concerned. The Ministry of External Affairs in communication with the Taliban is being considered that politically, as an ideology, BJP is supporting the Taliban, whereas you have the Congress here openly opening their arms and welcoming the All India Muslim Law Board. I don't understand who's secular, who's communal, and I don't understand how the people, the honorable people on the opposite side of this debate are actually
Can I get the soundbite of the Prime Minister? I have just got a comment from Prime Minister who has been at the Shivaji Park rally right now. I was told a major comment being made by the Prime Minister in that rally. Would you play that, please? Can we play that?
ST, SC, ओबीसी की एकजुटता तोड़ना चाहती है, इसलिए वो एसटी की जातियों को आपस में लड़ा रही है, एससी ओबीसी की जातियों को आपस में लड़ा रही है। ये जातियां लड़ेगी तो कमजोर होगी, और जितनी ज्यादा जातियां कमजोर होगी, कांग्रेस मजबूत होती चली जाएगी। मजबूत कांग्रेस सरकार में आकर एसटी, एससी, ओबीसी की उनको तबाह करेगी, आपका आरक्षण छीन लेगी।
Now, this is factually true, Pankaj, because the Congress party wants reservation for Muslims. And the Prime Minister is right in saying that it will take away SC, ST, OBC. And the Congress party has never said it won't. It wants a 10% quota for Muslims. And I think now the whole game is quite very much in the open, right? On top of it, I'm sure this support of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board is not coming for free. Do you think it's coming for free, Pankaj? Is there not an expectation by the Muslim community or these leaders of the AIM-PLB?
Congress party is in favor of equal opportunities for every community.
Then have Hindu quota.
Every caste.
Have Hindu quota.
For equal opportunities.
नहीं, जितनी आबादी उतना हक है, तो 84% हिंदू कोटा कर दीजिए. No problem. जितनी आबादी उतना हक जो कह रहे हैं, नहीं, राहुल गांधी जो कह रहे हैं, जितनी आबादी उतना हक, तो बिल्कुल मान्य है. फिर 82 to 84% हिंदू कोटा होना चाहिए कि नहीं? उन्हीं की लॉजिक है.
So, SCs are Hindus or not? SCs are Hindus or not?
नहीं, मुस्लिम कोटा करते, क्या गलत कहा?
All have their own quota.
क्या गलत कहा? क्या गलत कहा? हिंदुओं को फिर have 80%, 82%, 83% हिंदू कोटा.
Yes, so SCs are Hindus, STs are Hindus, backwards are Hindus.
All Hindus. All Hindus should get. All Hindus should get. जितनी आबादी उतना हक. No, जितनी आबादी उतना हक. ये कांग्रेस की लॉजिक जो है, जितनी आबादी उतना हक. इसमें आपने नहीं कहा कि एक वर्ग का हक नहीं होगा. अरे फारूक अब्दुल्ला को अगर आप देना चाहते हैं कोटा, सैफुद्दीन सोज को कोटा देना चाहते हैं, मुफ्ती मंजूर जियाई को कोटा देना चाहते हैं, आतिकुर रहमान को कोटा देना चाहते हैं, है ना? तो फिर सब
सलावा करना चाहते हैं.
हाँ जी,
देना नहीं चाहते हैं तो सलावा किया
should have their quota.
No, you are getting confused. No, Pankaj, you are getting confused. If your Congress breaks the constitution, right, brings in Muslim quota, denies quota to SC, ST, OBC, allows the land of tribals in Jharkhand to be taken away by Muslim infiltrators, then Congress becomes only pro-Muslim, anti-SC, ST, OBC, anti-Hindu party.
Congress never says that SC, ST and OBC should not get their reservation.
Says की बात नहीं है.
in favor of that.
No, 1 minute. Okay, Tuhin is on the debate.
They are the part of Hindu community. Yes, Sawan Hindus have no
look at the larger patterns over here.
Hindus, that's a different
look at the larger Arnab, look at the larger patterns over here. They cannot win Wayanad without the support of the ulema. You know, they cannot win Maharashtra without the support of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board. Where is this Congress party exactly headed? And, you know, I will not be surprised, Arnab, because, you know, I'm not sure about it, but I've been told it is work in progress. They are looking at an actual rebranding of the Congress party. The way they displayed the IUML flag throughout their campaign in Wayanad, you should not be surprised if in the next few years they have a new party symbol, they have a new party flag. Because this Congress party wants to re-Christian itself, wants to rebrand itself as the modern day Muslim League. That is how it will be able to survive. It has no other mode of survival because it has been shunned by all sections of society.
But then, has a choice been made now, Pankaj, or you feel, Atik, that Congress has made a choice? We are going to be a basically Muslim party. We want 99% of the Muslim vote, and if we don't even get 1% of Hindu vote, does not matter. Entire policy of the Congress has been directed towards a pro-Muslim face. Nothing wrong with that, but it becomes a bit like All India Majlis-e-Ittihadul Muslimin, or even more radical form of that. Atik?
Yes, thank you, Arnab. Arnab, this is so interesting that we are talking of a secular vote, that the secular vote should go to the Congress and there shouldn't be any communal vote going to the Congress party.
Yes.
And the Congress